This is for Fallen Raven. Yeah, summrs shit. I try.
The cucumber, these hoes ain't getting my new number. And the fact you at least keep pushing it with my Dior runners. Yeah.
I try to make it like it. Yeah, I try to. Yeah. Fuck nothing. Hoe ass nigga. Money ass nigga. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Honey. Money ass nigga. Bitch. Swing your motherfucker pole, nigga. Act like you about to do something. None of you hoe get on my new number. Chopper swing, you better gun him. Swinging that motherfucker pole, nigga. Hit you in your fucking skull, nigga. Riding on my dick shit. Hit you with the fucking clothes, nigga. Yeah. Honestly, this is actually pretty damn kind of for BANDLAB. It's actually pretty damn accurate, cause like, you know, like it is pretty damn accurate. Like, it's the only I just didn't like for ad-libs I just didn't do like the right sounds. Like I was just doing like random sounds. I was fucking retarded. I don't know. But look, I'm gonna show this first. Yeah, I sound retarded, but you trying to deal with that. Now I'll show it without the beat. I feel like doing all that. I'm just gonna bitch. Swing your motherfucker pole, nigga. Act like you about to do something. None of you hoe get on my new number. Chopper swing, you better gun him. Swinging that motherfucker pole, nigga. Hit you in your fucking skull, nigga. Riding on my dick shit. Hit you with the fucking clothes, nigga. Yeah. Obviously, when you do it, it will sound better. Cause like, obviously, I'm just trying to rush this shit. I mean, not rush, but like, I'm like, you know, like I'm not sitting there. I'm not sitting there doing like a whole full song. You know, I'm just doing like a little quick, like 30 seconds type shit. But yeah, let me real quick. Show this real quick. And that's it. So yeah, peace.